McDonald's out with third quarter results earlier this morning. Earnings and revenue beat analyst expectations, with price hikes helping revenue grow by 14%. Global same-store sales growth beating estimates. Shares right now. Let's take a look at where things stand. We're at about $262. Sara, Senatore is the Bank of America Securities senior restaurant analyst. What did you think of these results? And you probably knew it better than I did, because I have not been in a McDonald's, I have to admit, this last quarter, that they've been raising prices, at least what they say is strategically.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, the whole industry has, but McDonald's has always been sort of a leader in everything it does. Prices, we think, are up probably high single digits this quarter. So if you think about the same-store sales up 8, that's pretty much all price at this point. And
the question, though, is how much can they continue that?
Yeah, so far, I mean, the implication is traffic plus mix. We know customers are managing their baskets a little bit, being a little bit more cautious about what they add to their menu or to their basket. But I think in general, the fact that they're able to pass through virtually all the price, or at least have it show up in the same-store sales, suggests that price resistance isn't really affecting them just yet.
So do you imagine we're going to continue to see prices go up at McDonald's? And do you imagine that they're going to still be able to get the same kind of foot traffic in the door?
Well, I think it'll depend on what the rest of the economy does. Their own input prices are up a lot, and we've seen that, like I said, across the board. So I think it'll really depend on both a combination of how their customers are doing. Particularly, we know the lower-income customer, household income below $45,000, that's the biggest share of their traffic. So it's going to really depend on them, and also what McDonald's.
Were you surprised just how strong that consumer base is? Because we've talked about sort of consumers at the higher end, but this is a different group.
Yeah, I think, there aren't that many choices, right? I mean, it's a really good value. McDonald's has also seen some benefit from trading down from higher income customers. So I think, to the extent that McDonald's offers really good value, that's where the customers are going.
Were you confounded by the move from August from 300 down to like 240? What was that?
Yeah, I mean, all the restaurants really kind of took it on the chin, and I think it was investors just getting very nervous about the macro environment.
Even McDonald's, good.
Even McDonald's. When you look back to the global financial crisis, McDonald's same-store sales slowed less than everybody else's, but they still slowed.
Yeah, because it seems.
Well, that's what I was going to say. What does this say about the entire sort of ecosystem?
I think what we'll see is, by and large, most of the restaurants will hold up a little bit better than expected, so to the point where all of them kind of fell off a cliff in August. But the reality is things have slowed sequentially from 2Q, and I think we're going to have to be very focused.
If you could own 1, 2, or 3 of these stocks, which would you own? And if there were 1, 2, 3 stocks which you would not own right now, which would they be?
Yeah, so we have been recommending Chipotle. They also had an excellent quarter. In fact, their same-store sales were still quite strong, even with a slightly higher price point. We also like Starbucks, and we like Domino's. Should benefit from some trade down there, too. We have been less positive on QSR, which is Burger King, and Wendy's. Those are both competing against McDonald's, and you can imagine that can't be very easy.
Sara, I want to thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. I'm hungry now. Man, when we have this conversation, I don't know how you do it.
It's an occupational hazard.
Bunch of new I saw an advertisement. You see a new advertisement for the breakfast items. They got new bagel stuff.
Yeah.
Do you think vitamin O is going to impact them? By the way,
in the near term, probably
vitamin O is
not.
Ozempic.
Yeah.
Ozempic.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Probably not. I mean, again, the lower income customer is probably not the one taking it right now. We'll see. It's a convenience occasion right now, and so to the extent that over time people stop doing the sort of impulse purchases, it could, but probably not anytime soon.